right, we've made it. Section 4, problem solving. Here are some of the things that you might want to think about as you engage students in problem solving. So maybe having students interpret the same data in different formats, or maybe you provide it in one format and then students create the data or recreate it in another format. Maybe you want students to be talking and writing about how data are organized. Maybe you want students to be looking at data and comparing or ordering. And then maybe you want students to talk about, well, what is the best way to present this data that we collected? And all of these practice opportunities are important so that students develop a strong understanding of problem solving and an understanding of problem types. Those problem types are those total problems, those difference problems, those change problems. Those are forthcoming for many of your students. And so an understanding of problem types, like if you're asking how many pink and purple fuzzies together, that's a total problem. Or if you're asking how many more orange fuzzies than gray fuzzies, that's a difference problem. All of that knowledge is going to be essential for thinking about a lot of this data interpretation. So one example, and this is the only example we'll see here, might be presenting information in a graph. So here I could take this data from this graph of how many fruits are in the bowl, and maybe then I could create a line plot with this data, or maybe a picture graph, or I call those pictographs, or maybe some type of pie chart with this data as well. Then you could ask a lot of questions. Which of the fruits appears in the bowl the most? Which of the fruits appears in the bowl the least? Maybe you ask students to order how many fruits are in the bowl from least to greatest. You can see there's so many directions we could go with our problem solving just from this one graph right here. So I'd like you to get to activity 9. This will be the final activity of this module. So thanks for being here and talking a lot about measurement. Now I'd like you to think about how you would use anything related to measurement that's important for your students, and how you would use the CLEAR model to help them deeply understand that content. Thank you for joining us with the Kansas Math Project, and I look forward to seeing you in another module very, very soon. Have a good day.